Good morning. As you can see, I'm in Harry at the moment. I'm actually visiting Jane's daughter down in Essex. We've had a slight blip on the giveaway on EB3A that I drew the winner the other day. Unfortunately, when I got in contact with Edward, as he, in his words, said he's in the wrong continent. So unfortunately, that draw is void. So I guess the good news for those of entrants in the first round, I will redraw and I'll choose another winner. The same rules applies. I'll do the draw, select the winner. I'll put a comment obviously into the winner's comments on the video. They will then need to email me at getawaygeese@btinternet.com. I will then share with them a secret phrase that they'll need to add to their comment just to prove I'm not getting scammed in any way. And then I'll arrange delivery from Bluetti. So good luck, everybody. Okay, so in the comment picker, we got EB3A, we got the video loaded up. I'm just going to grab the comments. Okay, and then we're going to do the random selection. So we'll start that. So it's going to take about 10 seconds. So it's just randomly flicking its way through. And the winner is Tomo and the Big Kahuna. And I would like to win a Bluetti EB3A because the more power, the better. A great entrant. That is, so it's a good reason. So hopefully, Tomo and the Big Kahuna. I hope you live in the UK and Northern Ireland, otherwise we'll be doing this again. I will get in touch with you and put a comment in your comment, and then if you need to email me, as I said, and then I'll give you a secret phrase that you can edit to your comments. So well done.